Hello everyone. This is an Stegosaurus and this is a T-Rex and this is a very naughty African elephant, and it has tusks to defeat any animals who are very rude, and he can attack these tusks with their mommy and daddy to punch them in the cheeks or the eyes or their spikes. Then the spikes will be broken and will fall down. So this is a story. One day there was an elephant, a naughty elephant. He was so big and he was acting like a donkey. He was so adamant. He was acting like a donkey. He kicked his mom and dad. He was so adamant. He wanted to go to an aquarium, and he got a fish tank. There were one shark, and he wanted to go and swim with him and drink all of the water to make the shark. When he gone to the shark, he drank all of the water from when he was swimming that he couldn't even swim. So he had a tiger, and it was an aquarium. It was so shiny. The shark got on it. The elephant wanted to swim with it because it was so fresh. It was not even a salt. It wasn't salt water because the shark was too big and he wanted to eat the elephant. He went to eat the elephant. Then its mommy and daddy came to attack it. It was so quick. The mummies and daddies couldn't even catch him. He could swim so fast, and he was so speedy. He could spin, and he could act like he had a shark, and he killed the elephant. And mommy and daddy, the elephant cried, and he called a tiger. The tiger came. He tried to attack the shark. The shark was so scared. He ran and spinned, and suddenly the shark smelled something in the water. Then the tiger catched him. The end. Subscribe and click on this arrow mark and subscribe with some and give lots of subscribe. The end. They lived happily ever